Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is a power supply in a computer system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is power supply in a computer system? A power supply in a computer system is a critical hardware component responsible for converting alternating current or AC electricity from your wall outlet into direct current DC electricity that can be used by the various components in your computer. It provides the necessary electrical power to all internal components of your computer such as the motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, GPU, graphics processing unit, hard drives, and other peripherals. Here are the key functions and features of a computer power supply. Number 1, voltage conversion. Power supplies takes the standard AC voltage, typically 110 to 120 volts or 220 to 240 volts from your electrical outlet and convert it into various DC voltages needed by different components of your computer, including positive 3.3 volts, positive 5 volts, and positive 12 volts. Number 2, stable voltage and current. Power supplies are designed to deliver a stable and consistent supply of voltage and current to prevent fluctuations or surges that could damage sensitive components. This is crucial for the reliable operation of a computer. Number 3, wattage rating. Power supplies are rated in terms of wattage, indicating how much power they can deliver to the computer components. It's important to choose a power supply with an appropriate wattage rating to meet the power requirements of your system. High-end gaming PCs or workstations may require higher wattage power supplies. Efficiency. Efficiency is an important factor when selecting a power supply. More efficient power supplies waste less energy as heat and can save you money on electricity bills. Power supplies are often certified for efficiency with certifications like 80 plus bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and titanium. Number 5, connectors. Power supplies comes with a variety of connectors to provide power to different components. These connectors include the 24-pin ATX connector for the motherboard, 4-pin or 8-pin CPU connectors, SATA connectors for hard drives, SSD, PCIe connectors for graphics cards, and more. 6, overcurrent and overvoltage protection. Power supplies typically include protection mechanisms to safeguard your computer components from overcurrent to much current and overvoltage to high voltage situations. These protections can prevent damage caused by power surges or components failures. Number 7, modular versus non-modular. Power supplies can be modular or non-modular. Modular power supplies allow you to detach and connect only to the cables you need, which can help with cable management and airflow in your computer case. In summary, a power supply unit, PSU, is a fundamental component of a computer system that converts AC power from the wall into the appropriate DC power for computer's internal components. Choosing the right power supply for your system's needs is essential to ensure stable and reliable operation, while also considering factors like efficiency and cable management. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a power supply in a computer system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.